Hello friends,
Hello.
I'm Shanaz. I hail from Baggi Road. This time I'm learning English from ECL. Today I'm gonna tell you about policeman. Policeman is a government servant. He wears a smart khaki uniforms. He is very stronger and healthy man. A policeman has to work day and night. He keeps always a small stick in his hand. He keeps always gun with himself. His duty is to catch thieves and bad people. He has to mention law and orders. Our life and property are safe because of the policemen. Some policemen control and manage the traffic at Road Jackson. Thank you so much.